To hide pop-up notification when the Do Not Disturb mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap Do Not Disturb. Tap hide notification and then tap the gray on off switch next to don't show pop-up notification to turn this option on. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. With this option on, now when the Do Not Disturb mode and your screen are on, and you are receiving a new notification from an app with the pop-up notification enabled, your phone will not display the pop-up notification of that new notification. As a note, this option will automatically enable when you set your phone to hide new notification from showing up in the notification panel when the Do Not Disturb mode is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.